In this pencast, we're going to discuss properties of circles. So our first circle, it asks us to name the center of the circle. So the center of our circle will be the point that is in the middle of a circle that is equidistant from every point on our circle. So as we see in this circle, our center is the point R. Then it asks us to identify a chord that is also a diameter. A chord is a segment with endpoints on a circle, and a diameter passes through the center of the circle. So we can see that we have two possible chords, SU and VU, because they both have the endpoints on the circle. But as we can see, SU passes through the center of a circle R. So we know that SU is our chord that is also our diameter. So now it asks us, is VU a radius? And we just said it is not because it's a chord. And a radius is a segment that has an endpoint at the center of a circle and on the edge of the circle. So, no. It is a chord. So now it asks us what RT is if SU is 16.2 centimeters. So SU is a diameter, and we can see that RT is a radius because it has one endpoint on the center of a circle and one endpoint on the edge of a circle. So we know that a diameter is two radiuses put together. So we can simply divide 16.2 centimeters divided by 2 to get 8.1 centimeters. Now looking at our second circle, we're going to talk about arcs. So it asks us, what is the minor arc? So a minor arc is the shortest arc connecting two endpoints on a circle. So as we can see, if we had the points H and G, this arc right here is the shortest one we can make on the circle between our points H, G. So that means this is 122 degrees. Now it asks us what our major arc is. So the major arc is the longest arc connecting two endpoints of a circle. So if we go this way, that is our major arc. So we know that HKG is 120 degrees, but we need to find out what HKG this part is. So we can do 360 degrees minus 122 degrees equals 238 degrees. Then it asks us, what is a semicircle? So a semicircle has endpoints that lie on a diameter. So as we can see, our points G and J lie on the end of a diameter, and so this right here is our semicircle, and semicircles always equal 180 degrees.